In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Kanban board in Trello. By the end, you'll have a simple, flexible workflow that helps you see what's on your plate, what's in progress, and what's finished. First, open your browser and head to Trello.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in so you can create and save your new board. On the Trello homepage, look for the Board section in the top navigation and click it. This is where all your existing boards live and where you'll start a fresh one. Next, click Create New Board. Trello will prompt you to choose a background. Pick any color or photo you like. It won't change how the board works, but a background you enjoy makes your workspace more inviting and easier to recognize at a glance. Now give your board a name. Type Kanban board into the title field. Clear names are helpful if you end up with multiple boards later. You'll also see a workspace selector. Click Workspace and choose where this board should live, either in your personal space or a team space you share with others. If you see a second prompt for Workspace, confirm it again so Trello knows exactly where to place the board. You may notice an option to start with a template. Templates are great if you want a pre-made setup, but today we're building from scratch so you understand the structure. Go ahead and click Create to generate the new board. Your blank board opens with an area to add lists. Lists are the vertical columns that represent stages in your workflow. In the first list field, type To Do and press Enter. In the next list field that appears, type Doing and press Enter. In the third field, type Done and press Enter. These three lists form the classic Kanban flow. Tasks move from left to right as you work. Keep in mind that the exact capitalization doesn't matter. What matters is that each list clearly represents a stage. Let's add some tasks. In the To-Do list, click plus Add a card. Type Laundry and press Enter. Then add another card for Car Wash. Each card should capture one task so you can move them independently. Short, action-oriented titles work best because they're easy to scan. If you ever need more detail, you can open a card later and add notes, checklists, or attachments. But for now, simple is perfect. Now shift to the Doing list. Click into that list and select plus Add a card. Type Studying and press Enter. This represents something you're actively working on. One helpful habit is to keep the Doing list small so you stay focused. Moving too many items into Doing at once can slow everything down. Move over to the Done list. When a task reaches the finish line, Trello gives you visual cues to show completion. If you see a circle or completion indicator on a card, click it to mark the task complete. This can be a quick way to signal that the work is wrapped up, especially in boards that use indicators for status. Let's show the flow in action. Click and drag the studying card from Doing over to Done. That left to right movement is the heart of Kanban. It makes progress immediately visible. Next, grab the laundry card from To Do and drag it into Doing to indicate it's your next task. As your workday evolves, you'll continue moving cards forward across the board, always keeping your focus on what's in Doing and celebrating small wins as items land in Done. And that's it. You created a board, picked a background, named it, set the workspace, built the To Do, Doing, and Done lists, added a few example cards, marked completion, and moved tasks through the flow. Keep your board open while you work, review it regularly, and resist the urge to overload the Doing column. With this simple setup, you'll stay organized, see bottlenecks early, and keep your tasks moving to Done.